I'm Ricardo, and for the last 59 years I pretend to be an artist. It would be very interesting for me to have this experience with so many people with all this potential energy of creativity, because that is what I think will be this week for all of them. You know, this is a lonely job to put 120 people around with all this potential creativity will be like a fire. So that is what I expected, to see a big fire here in the Antwerp Museum. Not really one, fictitious one.